Hi ladies and gentlemen, in this tutorial we're going to learn how to master the Mixturebrush for screen retouching and also in frequency separation. We'll start by dividing the picture into two, hitting Ctrl G twice the keyboard, name the top layer high and the down layer. Remember, the high layer contains the texture and also the lower layer contains the colors and also the skin. First we uncheck the top layer and select the low layer, low frequency, go to filter, select blur, select Gaussian blur, and here we bring the radius down to check where the skin have much texture on. So what we do is look for the so the chin have much texture, so we'll bring it up until the skin texture is gone. So we give it 3, it's okay, we hit OK. Now check back the top layer, which is the high frequency, and come to image, select apply. Here we are using 8-bit picture quality, higher quality. So on layer, there's the name of the picture here, and we have layer. We are going to select the color and the skin layer, and now the channel will be RGB, and the blending mode will use subtract. Here opacity will be 100. Now preserve transparency will be unchecked. Here you can see it, and max will be unchecked. Scale will be 2 here, and offset will be 128. Preview must be checked, and invert must be unchecked. So we hit OK. Here when we come here, we select the 2 by holding on Control and select the 2 and group it. So I will call it skin, I will call the group skin. No, well, so you can see this, we are done with it, but we are not done with it. We will select the top layer, which is the high frequency, and select linear light. We are not done with it. Now we'll select the top, which is the high and the low frequency together, right click and choose group layers. I will name it skin here. Now pay critical attention to where we've reached. See, there's no changes in this, so we'll open the folder, and here we'll uncheck the high frequency. Then you come to your toolbar here and choose Mixturebrush. Now make sure you choose clean brush, and you choose this brush here to cancel every load when it picks. Now wet should be 10%. Wet should be 10%. Remember, load should be 75%, and mixture should be 90%. Flow should be 100%, and also you make sure you don't check sample or layers. Now we choose our brush, our Mixturebrush here, and make sure we size our brush. Make sure the hardness of the brush is 0. Make sure you choose soft round brush. Now we are going to select the low frequency layer and come to the picture here and paint on it. But let me show you something. Make sure you paint to the direction of the face where the skin goes to. Don't just do it anyhow. Remember, when you check the sample layer, this is how it will go. This is how it will go. So you can see it picking all samples from the face here, so the skin will be rough. So make sure you don't check the sample or layers. Make sure you uncheck it and select your low frequency layer and uncheck high frequency layer and come on top. Make sure you select your brush wheel, then you paint on it. You leave it. You come to different direction. You can see this, the chin goes this way, so we are going to we are using how the face moves to paint it, so you can see then and now. So we are doing it gradually. So we are just blending the face, the colors. Just blending the face to get a nice tone. So we are just mixing the face. We'll come to the skin. Do the same. Make sure you blend it well. Let's do the blending. Need to take your time and do the blending so that you get nice skin from it. You don't have to rush when doing it. So you can see before, now, before and now. In case you like what you've learned, please remember to subscribe to the channel so that we get recommended and also get motivated to bring you more of this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.